keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Environmental Studies, Standard 3, Chapter number 17, Pearly Teeth, Healthy Body. In the picture shown, you can see a baby growing up. There are a lot of changes in his body parts. His body parts are also growing, and there are teeth which are growing too. So, the teeth that we get when we are babies are called as milk teeth. The milk teeth start falling when we are 7 or 8 years old. After that, we get new teeth once again. These teeth are called permanent teeth. When these teeth fall, we do not get any new teeth. Old people whose permanent teeth fall off have to put dentures in order to eat all type of food and helps to talk properly. Therefore, it is important to look after permanent teeth. Dentures look like real teeth, but they are actually the false ones. Taking care of our teeth. After eating something, we should wash our mouth, scrub our mouth inside and out. We should swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well 4 to 5 times. If we do not do that, particles of food remain in the mouth. They stick to our teeth and tongue. They get stuck in between the teeth. If they remain there, the teeth begin to rot. Then we get bad breath. That is, the mouth smells bad. If this happens often, the gums are also affected. They may ooze blood and pus. These foul substances go into our stomach. Then we can fall ill. Because of rotting particles in the mouth, our teeth decay. Slowly, the teeth become loose and in the end, they fall. We must avoid this. For that, we must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. We must also clean our gums and tongue. Neem or bubble sticks are sometimes used for cleaning teeth. Some people buy tooth powder from the market or make at home. Many people use toothbrush and toothpaste. Neem and bubble sticks or homemade tooth powders do not clean well from the gaps between our teeth, and they can injure our gums as they are hard enough. Using a brush and toothpaste, we can clean the gaps between the teeth properly. Besides, the foam of the toothpaste helps the particles stuck between the teeth to come loose and get washed away. Keeping our body clean. It is for us to keep our body clean. If we eat with unclean hands, the dirt on the hands goes into our stomach. We can get a stomach upset. So we should not forget to wash our hands before we begin to eat our food. Just as it is necessary to keep our teeth clean, it is important to keep our hair and nails clean too. We must also bath every day. We must wash our hair at least once a week. If we don't keep ourselves clean, we may contract different diseases. What have we learned in this lesson? The teeth we get when we are small are called milk teeth. They start falling at 7 or 8 years of age. Then we get new teeth once again. These are called permanent teeth. If permanent teeth fall, we do not get new teeth in their place. So we must take care of our teeth. If our teeth are dirty, foul substances go into our stomach and we can fall ill. We must wash hands before we eat. We must keep our hair, our nails, our sensory organs, and the entire body clean. Who are really smart ones? Everyone brushes their teeth in the morning, but smartest people brush their teeth before they go to bed every single night too. Everyone washes their hands after a meal, but the smartest ones they wash their hands without fail before a meal too. Now it is upon y'all children whether y'all want to remain as it is or to become the smartest people. I hope you have enjoyed learning this lesson. Stay safe and keep learning.